Richland Hills Public Library. I'm Miranda, the youth librarian, and I am bringing you our activity video for this week. I'm really excited about this one, y'all. So I've never actually done this project before, but I've seen it done a lot of times. We are going to be making a snowstorm in a jar, or in this case, a snowstorm in a bottle. So what you need for this is some baby oil, some glitter if you've got it, but it's not necessary, Alka-Seltzer, empty bottle or empty jar or something along those lines. You want it to be clear. Some white paint, but you don't need very much. I think tempera is okay. I'm hoping tempera is okay because that's what I've got. And then some warm water. Okay, so let's get started. So first, let's see, baby oil first. And we are going to fill up our bottle about 3/4 of the way with baby oil. I'm going to try to be very careful because for some reason, whenever I work with oil, I always wind up making a mess. Oh, this is going to be fun. Okay. Here we go. All the fun sound effects. It's an ASMR video, y'all. Okay, maybe right about there. What do y'all think? I think that's about right. Okay. Then we are going to mix just a teeny tiny bit of white paint. I actually have a bunch of water, so it may take more than a teeny tiny bit of white paint. But we're going to mix our very dry white paint, yuck, into our water. Again, you just want enough so that the water turns white. Get that closer for y'all. I guess I should have gotten a stir stick. It's okay, I have rulers. Rulers are good for all kinds of things. Oh, I think my paint was really old. Look at all that crusty stuff in there. A little bit more. Yeah, I think that's wide enough. Kleenex. All right. So now we're going to pour in our water. Oh, I should mix the glitter in first. Let's do glitter, y'all. I love glitter. So for your glitter, again, since we're trying to do a snowstorm, I would recommend the iridescent. Oh, this is so much fun. But you can also do silver, or if you want your snowstorm to be colorful, you can use any color of glitter that you want. Oh my gosh, this really could be an ASMR video. This is fantastic. There's so much sound. I love the sound of the glitter mixing into the water. Okay. Alright. Okay. So now we're going to pour, obviously not this much water, but I wasn't sure how much we were going to need. We're going to pour to right up to about here before the corners start to slope in. Very carefully. Right about there. Okay. And then according to our video, we're supposed to wait for everything to settle. I mean, you can kind of see we've already got a little bit of a snowstorm going on just from pouring it in there. But I think what we'll do is give it just a few minutes to settle. So we're gonna cut the video and then we'll come back and I'll tell you approximately how long it took for everything to completely settle down. And then we'll actually do the rest of our experiment. So I will see y'all back here in hopefully what will be just a few minutes. Okay, So we're back. It actually settled really, really quickly. I was really surprised and happy that it settled so fast. So maybe about 5 minutes, probably less than that, to be perfectly honest. So now comes the fun part. So we're gonna get our Alka-Seltzer. And I don't think you even need a whole tablet. Oh, I haven't opened this box. Let's get it open. So I think I'm just gonna start out with like half a tablet and see what happens. Let's see. Especially since this bottle is so small. Like if I had a bigger bottle, I might go with a whole tablet right at the beginning. We're gonna try just, it's almost half a tablet. Okay, so we're gonna try that to start with. And let's see what happens. There we go. It's settled in this corner over here. So what you're seeing is our Alka-Seltzer tablet basically like effervescing in the water. And of course, oil and water don't mix. So what we're getting is the water shooting up to the surface and then slowly falling back down like snow. And if you live in this general area of Texas and have lived here for most of your life, you know how rare snow actually is. So this may be all you get. Let's do it again. I'm gonna do just a fourth this time. There it goes again. It's almost a little bit like a lava lamp. And what's cool is that once it's completely effervesced, like you don't want to put the lid on while it's still doing this because it'll cause a buildup of air inside of here, and that would be bad because then it might explode. But once it's completely done, you can let it settle back down, put the lid on, and then use it at another time. So you can have a lot of fun with this. Let's do another one while the other one's still going. So now we got a blizzard going on, y'all. And you know, we put that glitter in there, but I'm really not seeing too much of the glitter. So I feel like maybe because it's the iridescent, if you tried the silver, that might be more obvious when you're doing this. But otherwise, the glitter looks like it's really not necessary. So it's something that you could leave out of your experiment fairly easily if you wanted to, and it's not going to make a lot of difference. So there you have it. There is our Snowstorm in a jar, or a bottle in this case. And super easy to do at home. Like all of these things are easily obtainable, typically from like your local grocery store. So I think that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in for our activity time today. I hope y'all had fun exploring our Snowstorm, and I hope you'll watch next week when we'll have brand new activities for the month of February. Let's see what else is going on this week. Oh, don't forget about our story time. And don't forget about our craft kits. This is the last week of our January craft kits. I think everything this time is all snow themed. Snow and winter. Because, you know, I mean, we can hope, right? Okay, so I think that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you'll have a good day.